9 Australians detained in Malaysia for stripping down to their swimmers at a Formula One race are facing a fourth straight night behind bars. The Foreign Minister has warned Australians to respect the laws of countries they visit.
The ABC camera captures family members at the Serpong police station where the men are being held. They've made a desperate dash to try and have their loved ones freed. 9 Australians detained for 3 nights. This is the alleged crime. The men, all in their 20s, remove their pants to reveal swimmers bearing the Malaysian flag.
We open our doors to tourists. We try to treat them as well as we can. But when they come here with the intention to commit indecent act to embarrass us, I think that's not how visitors should respond to our good treatment.
That one of the group is a staffer of the Cabinet Minister Christopher Pyne hasn't helped. Post-car race stripping fun has now turned diplomatically sensitive. Malaysia says the intention of the men was to embarrass. For Australia too, there was intent.
Well, I don't know that it will be seen as a lapse of judgment. It was clearly premeditated. They were wearing the budgie smugglers and had bought them in Australia.
The ABC has obtained the names of those detained. One is the policy advisor to Minister Pyne, another the son of a senior diplomat. Most are in good jobs and are Sydney University educated.
I know the young Australians' families are there. Our consular officials are working to assist them, and I'll leave it at that.
Malaysian police want the group charged with intent to insult, with a minimum fine and a maximum 2-year jail term. A lesser charge of insulting the national emblem is also being considered. But it will be up to the Attorney-General if any charges are laid at all.
Whatever the outcome, Malaysia has made its displeasure clear in a case that's made headlines around the world. Samantha Hawley, ABC News.